this time. This is the video. This right here is the Dylan's position. This is the Dylan fire alarm position. Go ahead for the video. This is the point, and it is not broken. This right here is the tornado position. Well, see, it's no activated. And then this right here is the police station's fire alarm. And it's similar, and this like that. This right here is the police station's position, and then the push it. This right here is the game mode sentry. You have to switch it up and on. As it says other words, I get to put it like that. This right here, like that. This, what's that noise? This is this like that. This right here is the violet position, and then it's the post right here. This right here is my simplex. The post right here. This right here is my notifier. Here's my notifier. Here's you gonna pull that. And it says notifier. This is notifier. And this right here is a game mode sentry, SVI. And here's the positions. It is all they have.